शोलों के गर्भ से निकलती है मजबूत चट्टानें। इन्हीं मजबूत चट्टानों से बनता है रॉक स्ट्रॉन्ग सीमेंट। देश को बनाए रॉक स्ट्रॉन्ग सीमेंट।
In India, the entrepreneurial ecosystem has taken off as many angel and venture capital investors are willing to take high risks. These companies have given enormous upside to their investors. Another thing common among these companies is they are all founded by IITians. 20% of IITians have been entrepreneurs at least once in their careers. 25,000 companies have been founded by them. 500 companies founded by IITians have been taken to IPOs. Of the recently declared global billion-dollar businesses, 4 have been started by IITians. Now add to these the achievements of the alumni of IIMs, ISB and BITS. Leveraging this amazing global alumni network to create a unique platform for innovation and entrepreneurship is IVCAP Ventures.
It all started in the year 2011 with a simple dream to capture the power of the alumni network.
IVCAP has invested in 8 companies so far. They are all unique and high growth companies. Interestingly, most of them have set up a footprint internationally.
Global Alumni Network of IVCAP has given us very specific and relevant inputs on marketing, technology and operations by asking very relevant questions. They've also made some interesting introductions to their network, which I believe will be very helpful for our organization. There are 2 things.
छोटा सा कद है पर पंगा लेता है बड़े बड़ों से अपने हक के लिए। क्यों उसे राशन नहीं मिलता? क्यों जमादार को बख्शीश इनकार करने पर कचरा उसके घर के सामने रख दिया जाता है? एक आरटीआई एप्लीकेशन, बस एक एप्लीकेशन के दम पर राशन दुकानदार उसके घर तक आया राशन लेकर। एक एप्लीकेशन लाया एमसीडी ऑफिसर्स को गिड़गिड़ाते हुए उनके घुटनों पे। ऑफिसर्स को फाइन हुए 25,000 रुपए, सिर्फ एक एप्लीकेशन। कहते हैं हर किसी का दिन आता है, आज आशिकीन का दिन, आशिकीन का राज।